Hey, welcome back. Today we got a leg focused workout that we're going to do. It's going to be pretty long. We have 10 exercises included that we're going to go over. If you feel comfortable and you want to skip, you can go to this point to see the full workout. But welcome back. This is Howie's Fitness Club, leg workout, day 3. So the only piece of equipment you are going to need today, and you don't necessarily need it if you want to mix up the exercises, is a skipping rope. The workout is going to be 100 reps of skipping, 90 of something, 80 of something, 70 of something, all the way down to 10. We're going to go by 10s. Once you've done 10 of the last exercise, you're done. So we're going to start from 100. So the first exercise is 100 skips. And I'm going to show you 2 versions, and you can be as creative as you want. But the first version is just regular skipping. Okay, so regular skipping, up and down. Super simple. I want you to focus on staying on your toes, nice and tall. We're not dolphin kicking, kicking back. It's just up and down. The second variation is going to be double unders. Double unders are pretty challenging, but the basic form is the same as single unders. So double unders look like this. And when I'm jumping, my form is the same as a single. Single, double. The only thing that's different is I'm speeding up the rotation of my wrists and I'm jumping slightly higher. So single, double. So either 100 singles or 100 doubles. The second exercise we're going to be doing is a 90-second wall sit. So on your wall sit, you're going to find a wall. You're going to sit against it. Camera lady, please come up here. When you're in your wall sit, I want you focusing on keeping your hamstrings parallel with the floor. So there should be like a 90-degree angle of your legs right here. Back against the wall, relaxed as you can be. Don't keep your hands here. Hands to your side. 90 seconds, get the timer going. Next thing, we have 80 jumping jacks. So it's pretty simple, star jumps, jumping jacks. You're gonna be doing 80, just like this, with your hands all the way up, feet out. One cool kind of modification, if you can't be jumping, you can do steps. Stepping jacks, just like that. Next one, we have 70 squats. I'm gonna be out of breath just by explaining this. So 70 squats, up and down, body weight. If you wanna make it more challenging, fill a backpack with some weight. You can put it on your back, hold it in front, up and down for 70. Trying to go below parallel slightly. When I'm squatting, make sure your feet are under your hips. Toes can be slightly out or forward, and the knees are tracing over the toes. Nice flat back, core is engaged. So with weight, without weight, if it's still really challenging, grab a chair, use a chair to make it easier. Next one, we have 60 mountain climbers. So 60 mountain climbers, you're gonna go to the floor, hands on the floor, push up position, and you're gonna drive your knees high as you can, back down, back and forth. So this is just 30 a side. Flat back. If that's a little challenging, maybe you can't go to your hands, just go high knees. 30 a side, 60 total. Next one, 50 lunges. Wow, this is a lot of things I have to explain. Out of breath already. One take though, one take. 50 lunges, so 25 a side. You're gonna stand with your feet, again, hip width apart. We're not gonna stagger too much. Just regular stance, but you're gonna step forward. From here, you're gonna be toes forward, not in, straight drop. And I just brought my toe in. Straight drop. Again, nice and tall chest from the side, straight drop, up and down. Again, you can add weight, get a backpack, put it on your back, hold it like a goblet, up and down. Don't slam your knee to the ground like I just did. Just as low as you can before touching the ground, okay? Next one, 40 glute bridges. So this is a really good exercise. We're gonna engage your glutes. You're gonna go to the ground. This one, lying on your back. You're gonna get your feet planted, back and head down. You're gonna drive your glutes to the ceiling, squeeze your butt, back down, up and down for 40. If you wanna make that more challenging, go one leg for 20 a side. Next one, this one's hard. We have 30 tuck jumps. So 30 tuck jumps, kind of like a squat jump, but you're bringing your knees as high as you can and you're not going back to that squat. So up and down. As soon as you hit the ground, you're trying to jump right back up, okay? If tuck jumps are challenging, you could do those stepping burpees we did on day 1. So step, step, little jump, stepping burpees. Next, this is a really hard one. It's pistol squats. So we have 20, we're on 20 now, and it's pistol squat. So this is a single leg squat. Looks like this, and up. So you would go 10 aside. If pistol squats are new, super challenging, you could just do regular squats, or you find a chair, or here I have the step. I'm gonna do it on the step. Let's see if I can do it good. Try not to roll off too much. You wanna use the leg strength to get up and not use that momentum. Last one, great exercise. We have inchworms. This is great for warm-ups, great for in your exercise and your workouts. Standing tall, you're gonna try to touch your toes, straight legs, so get as close to your toes as you can. If you need to go forward, go forward. Walk your hands out. Oh, it's wet here. You go as far as you can. I'm not gonna go super far because it's dangerous. Walk your hands in, again, your toes, stand up, squeeze your butt. So that'd be 1, all the way up. And that's 100 to 10 for our workout. So that's our workout today. It's gonna be 100 skips, whether you're doing double unders or regular single skips. You're going to do 90 seconds of a wall sit, 80 jumping jacks, 70 squats, any variation you want, 60 mountain climbers, 50 lunges, 40 glute bridges, 30 tuck jumps, 20 pistol squats, and then 10 inchworms. So this is a pretty large, long workout. Go at your own pace. The most important thing here is we're following good form. The quicker you do go, the more challenging it will be cardiovascularly, but I want you to really focus on that form first, okay? So it's 100 to 10, go at your own pace, make it as hard as you want by adding weight, changing the exercises, going a little bit quicker. I'll see you next time. Subscribe, like, good luck.